Hi there! Today is the next dance video for you with dance tips from Dance Secrets Challenge. And today I prepared for you arms combination. So let's start. Okay, so let's learn this arms combination. We start with this movement. It's like slide. So slide, and then you need to fixate your arm. Then you start reverse arm undulation and open left arm with fingers. After this we do flower, but it's almost the same as we do with our wrists, but we do with our elbows. Yeah. So up your left arm, up your right arm, go down with your left, and go down with your right. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Up, up, down, down. So we did this. Then we open our arms down, and we need to do additional movement. Small, really small arm undulation. We don't use our shoulders. We start from elbows, and then we go to the wrists, and then we continue with our hand, with fingers. So we did this. And after this, we open our arms from the center, and then we do weird arm undulation. And we love it. So the idea of this weird arm undulation, that you open your arm from elbow, and then you up your arm from wrist. So this, and then fingers. After this, we go with circle, and then we go to the right side. So circle from the right side, we go behind our head, and then we do again slide, and then right arm goes to the left, and then we open our arms to the top, and again we move our fingers. So from the beginning, slide, reverse arm undulation, open, flower with elbows, down, arm undulation, open from the center, then open and fingers, and circle, slide, in and up, and fingers. One more time. Slide, reverse arm undulation, open with fingers, flower with elbows, down, arm undulation, basic, then open from the center, open, weird arm undulation, and then fingers, then circle and slide, in and open, fingers, and then I close. Okay, so let's do this with music. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I invite you to my dance classes. I teach online and in person in Krakow. I have a lot of different classes, courses, intensive for different levels, and with my classes you will definitely level up your dance skills.